Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico with the Creativity Cave, and I have these adorable sour cream treats holders to show you. They are super cute, and there's a whole bunch of different things you can do with them. Now, I am using the Treat Time bundle from Stampin' Up! That comes with the stamp set as well as the coordinating framelits, and these framelits are super cool. So let me show you how they work. First of all, you can cut a bunch of different shapes. There is the basic square, which is awesome. We'll put this together in a minute. And then you can also cut them with little shapes. So this has 2 humps at the top and this has 1. So let me show you how these go together. It's really easy. I'm going to use tear and tape. And actually, let me show you how I made them, first of all, sorry. So here is the square, or the rectangular one, which I cut for this rectangle piece. This little part comes undone from the framelit, and you can exchange it with the other pieces. So I'm just going to fit this in here, and it just sort of snaps into place, and then you can run it through your Big Shot. And look at that. So it works really, really well. So you can run it through your Big Shot, and then this is the piece you get. And likewise, the single hump piece looks like that. Okay, so let's put these together. I'm going to use tear and tape, as I said, and I'm just going to put a piece right here. And then what's kind of awesome is there's little score lines that the die marks so that you can kind of see where you need your tape on the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to put a piece across here and then a piece across, where's the little mark? Right here. And those are the 2 places where I'm going to seal my sour cream container. So it's really easy to do. If you ever struggle getting the backing off, if you use your little pick your tool, it makes it so easy. I love that. Okay, I'm going to pull this one off, but I'll leave the top one sealed for now. Okay, I also kind of like to curl this a little bit. It helps kind of make it want to go around, which is really nice. Okay, so I'm just going to seal that up, and then I'm going to pinch this right here, and then my tape down there will seal things. Okay, and then when I'm ready to fill this, I can remove that and fill my container. So isn't this cute? So this is a cute little sour cream container with a little thing. You could make this into an ice cream cone, a snow cone. That would be really cute, or just a cute top. So like on this one, I just added some ribbon and a little bit of sequin trim. And I think these are so pretty for spring. I'm using all of these, use the Garden Impressions printed paper, which is like my favorite paper. Okay, so there's one. Now let's take a look at this one, because this one's really cool. So this one, we'll do our tear and tape just like before. We'll put our piece across the top, our piece on the bottom. There's just going to be our little mark right there. Sometimes it's easier to see it on one side versus the other, depending on what the pattern is. Okay, and just like before, we'll take our little tool to remove this. Now, I was thinking, what am I going to do with all of these cute little boxes that I'm making? And the answer is, first of all, I think these would be ridiculously cute for May Day. I'm just saying. I also think that these might just fill my Easter basket. Easter's tomorrow, and of course, I'm not ready. So I'm going to just seal the bottom. Now look at the top. What does that look like to you? That looks like a heart. So I'm thinking these would be approximately the cutest wedding favors ever. So how cute would it be to put a little treat in there and then seal this up? And then The thing that is also cool is this die right here makes these cute little tags that you are, they're perfectly sized for this. So you could stamp them with a bunch of different things. For instance, actually on this one, I was going to stamp. Let me grab a piece of scrap paper here. And I was going to just take and stamp a little garden impressions. Oops. Oh my goodness. Okay, so if I took my Calypso Coral and I'll stamp off the first layer, put that on there. Oops, messed that one up. Shush. So I'll take and stamp off the first layer. Stamp that down. That was a lot better. And then do the second layer right over the top like so. And then I could stamp Happy Spring. This is from the Fable Friends, and I'm going to use the Happy Easter also in just a minute. So these are just such stinking cute treats. Okay, so let me grab a block for that, and I'm going to do, I think, Night of Navy, because that color is in my printed paper. So I'm just going to stamp Happy Spring right there. And then I can add it to my box. So cute. Now I will pop this up. Oops. Because is there any other way to add something? I don't think so. Okay, so we'll put Happy Spring right there. And then I can even add a cute little ribbon. And this is with my Calypso Coral satin ribbon. I love this ribbon. It ties such nice bows. And it's really pretty. It's kind of, it's not shimmery, but it's shiny, I guess. So I made my nice little bow here. And then we'll just glue dot this on. It's so cute. And I think this would look awesome. My kids are a little older, so the Easter baskets look a little different this year, you know? Okay, now another way that you can decorate this is there's little scallop borders. There's actually 2 in here. So you can add these like to the bottom of your sour cream container like this. So you can just put them on both sides, and then you really have a cute box. I did that on this one. So you can see I just added that. And you could do it on both sides or just one side, whatever you want. Now let me show you one other take. We're going to do the plain box here. And this one is going to be pretty awesome. So prepare yourselves. All right. When I knew we were doing sour cream containers, this is actually the first thing that I really wanted to do was this particular technique. All right, so I'm just going to put my tear and tape on here as per usual. And then let's see, where are my marks? Actually, it doesn't even really matter on this one because this is just a plain one. So I'll put it right there and right, oops. Helps if you put the tape down on the correct side. Just saying. I'll put some right there. Okay. I just like having the tape on beforehand because that makes it a little easier to put together. So we'll just lift that off and form our box. And you know what? I'm going to take this one off too. Okay, so I've got that, and then I've got this is going to be the bottom. So that makes, did I do that wrong? I did. I put the tape on wrong, but that's okay. Okay, so this will be the top, but I wanted to make the top kind of extra special. So here's what I'm going to do. I've taken and measured or used this kind of as my guide. And I'm going to just snip off a piece of cardstock that's the same length as this because I know that is the right length for my box. Okay, and then I'm gonna do my, you know, this technique, the faux suede, where you run your bone folder over your cardstock. You've seen me do this a bunch of times before. Okay, and then when the layers of cardstock start to separate, then you know it is time to pull them apart. Now I'm going to pull just this top part off, and I'm going to leave this bottom part together. You'll see why here in 1 second. So what I'm going to do is take my scissors, and I'm cutting little about 1/8 inch strips. And if you haven't figured out, I'm kind of making grass. We used to have a fringe scissors, so if you still have that, you can do that with this. Okay, and then I'll pull this the rest of the way. And then I've got these cute little fringies. All right, isn't that cute? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere them together. And actually, I think tear and tape might be good for this. So we'll just put the 2 layers together back to back. So the kind of suede side is on the outside. I'm just getting the curls kind of back. Okay. So now the outsides are what are showing. Super cool. And then I'm going to tuck that in. I'm going to put one more bit of tear and tape on this side. I'm going to tuck that in. Of course, what do you put in what is now going to be a carrot? Well, of course, some jelly beans. So I'll fill this up with my jelly beans. Okay. And a few more will fit in there. And then we'll eat one. And then I'm going to tuck this right inside. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this. And then I will have approximately the cutest little carrot favor ever. As soon as I can get this backing off. There we go. All right. So there is my carrot sour cream container. How just ridiculously cute is this? So of course, I'm going to decorate this just a little bit. I'll take one of these little labels and I'll stamp on it in my Calypso Coral Easter greetings. And again, that's from Fable Friends. So sweet. And then I think I might even add from this stamp set, there's kind of a cute little flower here. So I think I will just add that. Oops, here it is. And I'll stamp it off first, just so it looks, well, maybe I'll stamp it in, I'm going to stamp it in powder pink, actually, so it's kind of light behind. There we go. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add this to my little carrot with a dimensional, and then we'd be good to go. Now, if you're interested in any of the items that I've used, please shop my online store. I'd be so grateful for your business. I have lots of awesome perks for my VIPs, people who've ordered through me. So make sure that you check that out all on my website. And there's links in the description of this video along with links to all the things that I used today. These little treat time dies and stamp set are on the retired list this year, so you don't want to miss out on them because they're pretty awesome. So there you go, guys. Is that not the cutest? Thank you so much for stamping with me today. And if you want to make some of these for your May Day baskets, your Easter baskets, just have fun with it. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.